My name is Peter Kennedy and my wife Frida, and we live in the beautiful Jamberoo Valley just south of Wollongong. Beautiful, it's a beautiful natural environment. Wanting to do my bit as a conservation manager of past, I wanted to do our bit to make sure we contributed to cutting down our electricity costs and producing excess electricity and on selling it to the grid. It was a minefield. I found it just a minefield when I started, and that's when I came across some research about panels. Just took a lot of the fuss out of going through this minefield. Some of the things that I was concerned about was the companies, whether the company was going to be around to honour their 25-year panel warranties, etc. And the research that I came across was the CSIRO and Choice, and we stuck 18 330 watt panels on the roof. Gobsmacked with the success of it ever since. Well, I wasn't really sure of what to expect. All I knew that we were low energy users. We were pretty frugal with regards to leaving lights on and energy in general. One of the things we were looking at doing was putting on a solar hot water service, but because we had already had one previously, we weren't able to get a rebate, so that money went towards the solar system, which I think was a better investment in the long run. The expectations that were presented to us was that we'd average around 25 kilowatts per day production. And I think it was the period from January this year, the 1st of January to the 15th, we actually sold energy to the grid of about $551. All up, since we've been monitoring the system with a monitoring company, we've saved about $4,000 in total. So it's well and truly going towards the payment of the system, and thereafter it's energy for free. It's great. We love it.